As we step into 2025, the world is buzzing with excitement, but not without its challenges. In Japan, heavy snowfall has disrupted travel plans, leading to the cancellation of 42 flights, affecting thousands of passengers. Meanwhile, Scotland is on high alert for severe flooding, reminding us that nature can impact our celebrations. Despite these hurdles, cities globally are alive with festive spirit. From the vibrant streets of Delhi, where metro services are extended for revelers, to the picturesque resort town of Gulmarg, drawing tourists for its winter wonderland, the essence of New Year's joy remains strong. Varanasi is bustling with visitors, with local authorities ensuring smooth celebrations. It's a time for reflection, connection, and embracing new beginnings, even amidst the unpredictable weather.